our last topic of Azure AD. After that, we again back to infrastructure and we will complete our remaining part. Even not only that, I will again scan if any further topic remain in Azure AD, because as much as I try to make you aware about the Azure AD so that none of the things will make you stop during the time of interview. You got my point? There is no other alternate way to complete the course within a very short period of time, but other than only to make you that levels. Clear? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So in this case, what we can do now, we will first go to today in this class we are showing you conditional access policy and SSPR, self-signed password reset. Okay. So what I can do now, right now I'm going to Microsoft Entra ID. We'll create one because
Actually, Siddharth, we are unable to see your screen.
sorry.
And also, you started recording?
Yes, recording started.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So now what I can do now, what I'm trying to, first I'm telling you, we will discuss about the SSPR. First understand what is SSPR. SSPR means let's your organizational account, your AD account or your cloud account, whatever, it got password expire or it is locked, then what you need to do? You will call to help desk. Tell them kindly unlock my account, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now if they are not picking up your phone, how will you manage? Will you ever do it by your own? Will you
No.
ever do it by your own? No, not possible.
No.
Yes.
Not.
In that case, whenever you are in Cognizant, there is a portal called identity.cognizant.com.
Yes.
Many times you have log in that portal and reset your password or unlock your account, right?
Yes.
How come that was done? Did you know? That was SSPR. SSPR means self-sign password reset. Self-sign password reset. So in this case, generally what happen, you by yourself, after verifying certain amount of information, you can reset your account, you can unlock your account, or you can further reset your password without interventions, without third party or service desk intervention. But this is how we can reduce the extra cricket on service desk. It kind of automation also. Even automations landed to kill them as well. SSPR also kill them for service desk, because that was the job. Every time service desk pick up the phone, yeah, how may I help you? Kindly reset my password, kindly unlock my password. This is how every month 1000 or 1050 tickets they show in their bucket. Whenever SSPR landed, that was gone. Now only people will call me for the general issue, not for this kind of small kind of things. Clear? In Azure, how to enable SSPR? In this case, you need a premium P1 or P2 license. Then only you can get this SSPR options. Got it? Clear? In this case, you need premium P1 license or P2 license, then this SSPR features can you get, or else there's no options. Got it? So in this case, what happened, when users trying to log in any portal, or let's say Azure portal or company portal, it's got message your account got locked or expired. So there is a portal called https://aks.ms/sspr setup. Through this portal he will log in, verify his phone number, and he can reset their password by his own. Clear? So today in this practical, I will show you how to set up SSPR. It's a small practical, not big thing, but very significant in terms of Azure AD. They will ask you thousands of questions in Azure AD. is one of them. Clear? So for that only I will segregate based on the condition. I'll create a group, I will add some user into the group, and then I will show you, I will attach that group into the SSPR portal. Okay, create a new group. Security, normal security groups. Whenever you create a group, now there is a two groups, security group and Microsoft 365 group, remember. So in that case, this is for group name SSPR underscore users. Microsoft Entra roles can be assigned to the group. Microsoft Entra roles can be assigned to this group, whatever it is. No. Microsoft types, membership type assigned, dynamic user or dynamic device, no problem. Just click on assign, click on create. Once it is done, now let's go and create 3 users. Go to users, new users, admin 1, display name admin 1, is basically auto generate. Uncheck this. Click on review and create. Now what you need to do, it is only under the process. Click on admin 2. Perfect. Got it. Now in admin 1, I will assign them in Azure group, SSPR group. SSPR users. And admin 2 I won't. In admin 2 I won't. Clear? Got it, Abhijit and Gloria? Is that clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Now what I can do now, I am going to enable this license, but before that you need to purchase this license, because if license is expired, forget about your practicals in Azure AD. See, right now I have that license, Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5 license. It's very costly license. If you want to purchase it, cost will come around 7,500. Okay. So here what you can do now, we'll go to password reset options now. Here basically you will set up self-service password reset enabled, SSPR enabled. First option, you have to select SSPR for every users. You can't give this because this is a costly features. You cannot give them only specific. Let's say organization can give them SSPR for a particular VIP users or particulars normal generic users or something like that. Click on allow all. Okay. After that, authentication methods. Okay, let's make it safe. No, not all. Sorry. Don't put it all. Sorry, I was wrong. If you make it all, then it will be selected for every users. Here you have to select it only that group, SSPR. Those who are the member of this SSPR group, only it is applicable to them. Click on save. Once it is done, then go to authentication mechanism. Okay, what kind of number of methods required to reset, one or two? What kind of method you need? You can what it one. Here basically what exactly, define the number of alternate method of identification of user in this directory must have to reset their password. So there's a two mechanism. Now they are telling what kind of methods you are using here to reset his password. The OTP will comes to email or mobile phone, what exactly it is. So you have to select mobile phones. Okay, mobile phone, or else you can do security questions. Number of question required to registers, make it 3. Number of question required to reset, make it 3. Okay, what my point? Please select at least 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? Predefined. In what city did you meet your first spouse or partner? What city did your parents meet? What city does your nearest sibling live? In what city was your father born? So I am setting that's 3 options. So user will be prompted for every time in these 3 questions. Clear? Click on OK. So the SSPR has been set perfectly. Clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now click on save. Again I am telling you, what do you mean by SSPR? Who can tell me? What do you mean by SSPR? Who can tell me?
SSPR.
Self-signed password reset.
Yes.
What does it mean? That I told you that SSPR is a self-signed password. What exactly does it mean?
Basically, you can reset your own password by entering all these details, this question answers. So it's like a self-service, we can say.
Perfect. So SSPR will give you console to manage your own account. Simple. SSPR is the portal or utility which comes into the Azure AD Premium P2 license, which allow users, specific users, or all users according to your nature of permission, so that user can manage by own his to reset or lock out their user account. Clear? Got it? Now I have set up my SSPR. There is nothing to do anything. So if I go to here, password reset, I can see my, my SSPR has been created successfully. My SSPR has been created successfully. In notification, notify user on password reset. Click on yes. Notify all admin when their admin reset their password. Make it no. Customization, customize helpdesk link or something else not required. On-premise integration. So in this case, I'm not using my on-premises, so this integration is not required. In that case, you need to do the write back password, all this stuff. Okay, so that part you need to do. So forget about all those stuff. Clear? Now I'm back to here. Go to the groups. Go to the users. Sorry, go to the users. Now admin 1 and admin 2, I have two account. Admin 1 is the part of SSPR group, admin 2 is not. Now I'm telling you who can reset their password by their own. But this is actually admin 1 account and this is actually admin 2 account. Both I have taken here. Now if I go to admin 1, I can see he is a member of SSPR users, right? If I go to admin 2, he is the member of nothing. Perfect. Now I am login for SSPR portal to reset my own or to manage my own. First I am logging the SSPR portal. So in that case I will take it with incognito mode, but in for Edge it is a new private window. What does it means? It won't sack the SSO from the current existing page. It is a purely private window. Okay. So in that case, I have to put it HTTPS. This is the portal actually. Remember, this is the Microsoft SSPR portal. HTTPS colon double slash aks.ms slash SSPR setup. Got it? aks.ms slash SSPR setup. Click on this. Might be I was forget. Let's check in Google's.
It's some identity related actually.
AKS. It's just a second. HTTPS colon double slash AKA. Okay, sorry. AKA dot ms slash SSPR setup. Yes, that one. Perfect. In this page, first I'm login with admin 2 and I will show you whether admin 2 can able to do. Okay, let's log in with admin 1 and then after I can see whether he can able to log in or not, or whether he can reset his password or not. So he's login here. After that he will take a password. Now here he is having options to update the password. It is still, I'm telling you, still he is not gone for the SSPR portal. He just first time login and he's put his password.
Yes, this is by default features.
This is by default feature. Still SSPR not there. Everyone I'm telling you. Don't
Yes,
understand wrong.
yes, this is forcefully password reset actually for security.
Exactly.
Because admin know his means the user password, so user should reset his password.
Basically, this is even if when you are logging to the Azure, it having some options. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here what happened?
My sign-ins.
Now whenever you are logging to the SSPR portal, it will ask you, okay, boss, you know what you need to do, register yourself in this portal for your future reference. Got it? So there's a two way, either you can use your phone number or you can download Microsoft Authenticator app, scan the code and do that. Okay, so I have a both options enabled. The first option is telling on your phone install the Microsoft Authenticator app, download now. After you install Microsoft Authenticator app, your device choose next. Okay, or I want different authentication maker. What kind of set up your account? So first one you can do by this also you can do. If you do it, I will tell you both. First, in that case, I have already installed Microsoft Authenticator app in my phone. So I am opening it. I have opened it, but I cannot open my mobile here so that you guys are not able to see. I will show you. Just I have opened Microsoft. Everyone can download Microsoft Authenticator in your mobile. Okay. So after that, once you click on here, next. Okay.
And this app is already there in my phone.
Okay.
Yes, yes, I am also have because it's secure.
Great. Very good.
Yes.
So
Yes, then there is a QR code will show and we need to scan.
after that, click on next. You have to
Yes,
scan your QR. From plus
yes,
sign, you have to
scan the QR code.
scan that QR, and it will be registered here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Then the every time is randomly code is showing, then
Exactly. So
we go.
next time onwards, whenever your
Hmm.
options will come, okay, you see that it is asking for 68 to verify your
Yes,
authentication
yes,
working or not.
yes. No, yes. Put 68 and you need to yes.
Perfect. Clear?
Hmm.
So your
Clear.
admin one code has been SSPR has been done successfully. Got my point?
Hmm.
If I click on next, here it will ask you method 2. So in that case, what you can do now, India 91 code, and you have to put your pass, your phone number. When I was in Cognizant, then the time the mail was received to everyone, they are telling to register your portal so that in future you can manage your AD account by your own. And we everyone have to response that mail. Okay, that's just nothing but a register user to their, because what they do, they have created SSPR, they have created one group and added ourselves into that particular group. Now they are telling boss, go to that portal and register yourself so that in future you can reset your password. That's it, simple.
Like how you yes.
Exactly. Click on next. Now I will receive one OTP in my phone. Sorry. So in that case, yes, here my code is coming 807232. Click on next. So I have registered myself in AKS portal
Hmm.
because I am the admin one part of this SSPR group. Now they're asking you what is your security questions. In which city did you meet your first spouse or partner? In what city your parent meet, and which is your father born? Clear? So first question, in what city did you meet your first spouse? Let's say Kolkata. Security question. Got it? In what city did your parent meet? Kolkata, or let's say Mumbai. And what city your father was born? Let's say USA. Click on done. Everyone please remember what are the questions you say. Now great job, you have successfully set up your security info. Choose done to continue the signing in. Okay, all this we have used two method. One is Microsoft Authenticator, another one is phone method. In futures, if I going to reset my password, I can easily change it. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Now what I can do now, it will fetch organization information. Yes, phone number, everything is there. Everything is there. Add signing method, all this stuff, everything is okay. And password. So yes, now I'm telling you. So if you want to change your password, you can change it here. Okay? If you want to change your password, you can change it here. Click on submit. So user can change their password by their own. Clear? Oh, sorry, it's not change. Create new password.
Yes, the password criteria actually is not matched. It is easy password to use.
See that I'm taking this password, m microsoft @1234. Okay. Choose password that's hidden for people to guess. Strong password required, enter 82256. Do not include common words, name, combine uppercase letters. It's very head, it's very, yeah, okay. Okay. Perfect. So user change their password by their own without interventions, third party or service desk. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Now do the same for my admin too. Whether, let's see whether he can able to do it or not. This is normally okay. Click on next. Now let's see whether user are able to reset their password or not. Let's see. See, if I do it my scan, it unable to capture this. It is not taking it.
That means it will not get registered.
Exactly, it is not taking it.
Yes, in my sign-in portal, actually it is not getting registered. Without registering, you can't do this.
Exactly. Let's put it the phone number.
Got it. Because the role has not been assigned to this user through
Exactly.
group. It's very effective actually, mysignins.microsoft.com. Suppose you lost your mobile also, then if the authenticator app is configured or you lost the SIM, then also if you log in the my signins portal by using the security question app like that, and you can remove those mobile devices from there.
Yes.
There is an option, if you log in the admin one, then it is showing device, everything.
So it is still showing activating all the
Ah,
stuff.
ah, ah. It will, it is checking.
Okay. It will not work. I'm telling you, it will not work.
Yeah, it is showing that it will come pop up in your mobile that 39 is the code.
Where is 39? There is no options.
Oh, like in your phone there is no options, right?
No, 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 no.
For 39.
I'm put it 39 manual. Let's see what happen. Okay. If I put it 39, let's see what happen.
Manually, where you will put? Because if the A is not come, then how you will put 39?
Let's do it. Great job. You have successfully set up security. Choose done. Continue signing. Okay. Let's done.
Okay.
I'm trying to reset the password. Let's see what happened, because it might be have Microsoft has enabled SSPR or something, policy was changed. I'm trying to do it. Okay, let's see whether the non users are able to do it or not. Let's see. Let's make that sure. Okay.
Mhm.
If I do it submit, let's see. But that option not showing now that password has changed successfully.
No, 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 it is not showing.
Yes. Let's try with the old new password. Let's see what I have done. Let's open. mm, admin 2, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so setting was changed actually. Got it, Abhijit.
By default, it is assigning.
By
Or like,
default, it is for everyone. Microsoft giving that part. If you want to register yourself manually, okay. So by default, you can change your password.
but
I
it
mean,
did
see,
it ask.
generally what happen, I'm telling you, if you are member of the SSPR group or not the member of the SSPR, manually you can register yourself, right? Manually you can register yourself. Let's create one user separately, and I will not be able to reset his password. Then what happened, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so create one users, user 4 or admin 4. Hmm. Admin 4 was created. Now let's log in with the separate browsers. let's make it forget my password. Got it? Now see that magic. If you click on M, W, M, let's see. See that. If you are not the part of group, then you will not be able to change. What is saying? You can't reset your own password because password reset is turned on your account. It's not turned on your account. Contact your administrator.
Yes, but if you will just try now with admin one, means what you created admin one, right?
It is admin 4.
Yes, yes, that I understood. But if you will try with admin one, then I think
Exactly.
it will
That
you
yes,
can.
exactly. Let's try with admin 1. Even admin 2 can do because I have manually registered himself. Because I have
Yes.
manager, even admin 2 can do. Even not only the part of the group, even admin 2 cannot because I have manually registered himself. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, perfect. I'll log in with. Now,
Actually, in organization, you know that register with group is the main thing because uh, everyone is not doing registering in the my that SSPR, right?
see, actually, what happened? You can give that portal and tell everyone, brother, you can register
Ah,
yourself.
yes, 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 yes. But
If you
generally, actually, I saw that admin ID, who is the Azure admin there, they
because if
created the
you
group and you know the role has
exactly
been assigned to them.
exactly, but if you are not registered yourself, then you will not be able to do it. Now, if I do it
Yes.
forget my password, then it will ask you to enter the uh,
Capture.
captcha. Put
MY3W6RX. Yes.
now it is asked for the OTP. See that? Got it?
Mm-hmm.
That OTP will come to your mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, the OTP come 807232. 807232. 807232. Right?
It's asking your phone.
Oh no, it's asking your phone number first.
Sorry.
Incorrect phone number. Yes, like you have to put your phone number. Yes.
Okay, in order to put it, you will receive the text. Put phone number. So definitely it will come with 91, I guess. Enter the
Hmm.
verification code. Yes, 523682. Yes, now it allow me to reset the password. Got it?
Hmm.
So what happened? Try to understand what I'm trying to tell you that if you are part of this group, okay, then they will tell you to first time whenever you tell that I forget password, then they will give you the prompt to register yourself first. After that you can reset your password. If you are not the part of this group, then it will strictly deny you that this facility is not in your AD ID. Contact the administrator. Okay, clear?
Hmm.
Now what Microsoft telling, if you know how to register, if you want to register yourself in SSPR portal, you can, because this is default facility for every user. So three things I told you. First cases, user admin 1 is the part of SSPR group, he can register easily. Even Next time login, he can reset the password. Even if he forget password, he will be redirected for reset password after verifying captcha. User 2, what happened? I have manually registered himself. Even after that, he can set up the SSPR. User 3 cases, user admin 4 cases, what I did, I have not added them into the SSPR group, and I'm directly click on forget password and see what happened. That strictly deny them, you are not the part of this facility, contact your administrator. Clear? Is that clear? So it's clear your SSPR.
Yes, yes. So can you please try again with the admin 2? I think admin 2 will also work, right?
Admin will also work.
Because you registered in that my sign in my SSPR
Exactly.
portal.
That's why Microsoft telling you. See, generally what happen? Two cases happen. आप टू केसेस कंसीडर कर लो कि भाई आपने पूरा एंटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जिसको आपको ये फैसिलिटी देना है आप उसको इसमें ऐड कर लिया, राइट? और उसको बोल दे कि भाई आप मैनुअली रजिस्टर्ड कर लो. आपको तो पता ही है वो कोई करेगा नहीं. नो वन विल ट्राई टू डू इट बाय योर ओन. जब फंसेगा तब करेगा. तब जब फंसेगा, जब मान के चलो वो रजिस्टर्ड नहीं किया, वो एज्योर आइडेंटिटी पोर्टल में रजिस्टर्ड नहीं किया, तो वो जब फंसेगा वो क्या करेगा, फॉरगेट पासवर्ड में जाने के बाद वो कैप्चा वेरीफाई करने के बाद उसको रजिस्टर्ड पोर्टल आएगा कि आपने उसमें रजिस्टर्ड करो. आप ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप और सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन से आप रजिस्टर करो. जब रजिस्टर्ड हो जाएगा तब बोलेगा फिर से लॉगिन करके आप फॉरगेट पासवर्ड करके पोर्टल में जाओ. वो फिर से फॉरगेट करेगा, तब जाके उसको डायरेक्टली वेरीफाई करके पासवर्ड चेंज करने का प्रॉम्प्ट आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? क्लियर? Everyone, it's clear? That was the premium feature for SSPR. If you're not understanding SSPR, this is a common question in interview, I'm telling you. Okay? Acha. So next I'm talking about the MFA. I will show you the practical next week because I have a next nearby batches on that. So I'll just, what I'm telling you, next week I will show you MFA and I'll try to cover, I will scan that if any topics remain or not, I will show that and I will deliver that part. What exactly conditional access policy? Conditional access policy, achha, let's delete that because it will charge me extra amount. So let's delete that SSPR, not required, because we have done our settings. Okay, go to password reset here. Okay, oh sorry, oh yes, so that part you have to go to here. I have selected none. So SSPR is disabled for that groups. Now let's comes to new features. It is called conditional access policies. What is conditional access policies? Conditional access policy, just like your on-prem group policy through which you can control your organizational users, so same like conditional access policy, you can align a condition so that users will be controlled. Like you want two-factor authentication only for VIP user, not for all users. You want two-factor authentication only for VIP user, not for other users. So based on the condition you can do that. In that case, if you go to here, in that case you have to go to your security, conditional access, you can create a new policy. So first name is two-factor policy. Two-factor policy. This is the conditional access policy name. Assign. Where do I assign? Where I am assigning that group. You remember? Selected group. You remember that we have created? Hello, Abhijit.
Yes, that is for the SSPR.
That group I am adding here in MFA as well, because SSPR is no longer work. It will disable for everyone. Okay. So I have selected SSPR group. Target resources. What exactly you need to do? Target resources. So generally, where you want to apply the condition, all cloud app or selected app. So in that case, uh, select means, let's say Azure portal. Through which you can select it your application. In filter, what kind of filter you need to do? You have to do it. So I'm here. Let's select that. Select app. अच्छा, Azure AD identity governance. यानी कि when I have trying to log in Azure AD, it will ask me two-factor authentication. Select. Perfect. Access control, generally I'm not adding here. Condition, what happened? There's no condition. Only I'm here. It's require multi-factor authentication. That is grand access. Multi-factor authentication. Okay. Session, whatever it is, enable policy on. Click on create. Security default must be disabled. Enable conditional access. Acha. So if you want to enable this conditional access policy, you need to disable security default. So where is the security default? So default security, here, come to here. Okay. So search it, default security. This option, custom security attribute at security.
Hello, sir.
So yeah, tell me.
On your lower left corner, there is a properties.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah. We have to go
Left
to properties. Yes. From there,
and
we have to disable the security. Yes. You are right.
at the bottom last year. Yeah.
So you have to disable that one. You have to disable. So here, too many multi-factor authentication sign up request, or click on other. My organization using conditional access. Yeah. Select this one. Click on save. Yes, I forget to tell the property. Good job. So click on save. So security default by default is has been disabled. So what I can do now, right, go to overview part. Again go to the security options. Go to conditional access. In that case, go to create new policy. Here, put it here, two factor. Assigned that group, you remember. Okay. After that, target resources, you can select which target resources you want to do it. Let's say selected app or all cloud based app, whatever. Let's make it all cloud based app. Forget about all cloud based app. uh, okay, so that's required. Conditional condition, zero condition. In that case, we will not take any kind of condition right now, because if you want to, you can do it. Right now I'll do access control, because in here you have to do it record multi-factor authentication. Click on select, click on, click on create. Perfect. Okay, now what happened? Let's open now that group SSPR group. Who is the part of this group? Let's assume. So conditional property was created successfully. If I go to here again, conditional access, so that was policy was created. Yes, that policy was there, two factor. Okay, and now what happened? Go to here, go to group, open SSPR, click on the member of. Admin 1 is the part of this group. Admin 1 is the part of this group. Okay, so in that case, let's log in with admin 1. What we can do, any portal, any cloud based portal. So open https://aad.portal.azure, aad.portal.azure.aad. It will directly open your Azure AD portal. Okay, let's log off and log in with admin 1, right? So I'll put it the password. Yes, now two factor authentication comes. So first you have to provide your credential, then you have to verify second factor, which is through application, right? Clear?
This is through conditional access.
Exactly, this is to conditional access. So two factor is asking, two factor is asking.
Yes. Today you covered one is self-signed password reset.
No, self-signed password is that is different. That is
Well,
different.
it's different. Yes, I know. If you forgot the password, then this is the option. And this is any portal you want to log in by using this account, it will
Ask
pop up
two
the two
factor,
factor.
two factor. It will
Yes,
ask
yes.
two factor.
Like, which is really common for everyone in our organization.
Exactly. Now the same things I will log in with the admin 2. Let's see the two factor will come or not. Let's see the two factor will come or not. See, just you have to enter even password now asking, directly put it into the Azure AD portal. So this is one of the policy we have implemented through conditional access policy and SSPR. That was the major part. So in Azure AD, few things you need to know which I have covered. That is, first one is SSPR, second one is conditional access policy, third one is app registration, fourth one is dynamic groups, fifth one is user creation and assignment to the groups, dynamic groups, and uh, last one is the Azure AD Connect that we have done. Okay, now I will again scan and find out if anything interested or it's very good for your interview, then I will show you, or else I'll back to infrastructure. Clear?
Yes. So one question, is this only way to enable MFA for every account?
Exactly. See, MFA you can enable for everyone.
Hmm.
MFA you can enable for everyone. In that case, just create one group. Just
Hmm.
create one group, added all the user into that group, and give them MFA access. So everyone will have the MFA access.
Yeah, yeah,
Or
okay,
else
okay.
individually, if you have a 5,000 users, now 5,000 users you have to go and make it enable to two-factor authentication. Is possible for you? Tell me.
No, no, this is the.
Simple. Clear?
Hmm.
So now what I can do now, what are the things we have created? SSPR we have done. So I'll go to the conditional access policy and delete it. अच्छा, तो Mr. Vaibhav,
Hello, sir. Yes.
okay, so did we, are you satisfied? Because today morning you have thought that we are providing only the L1 kind of training. So this is not the L1 training for your information. This is purely L3, L4 level trainings. I'm sure nowhere, anywhere we can learn, about this uh, conditional access policy SSPR, because this is not the comes under L1 based training. So you can ask this guy. These guys are here attached with the core level of Active Directory class 2 till now. You can ask them. This is the lady I'm telling you now. That's his name is Gloria Paul. She has created the milestone. Blason Thota, he has created the milestone. Gopal Kumar Chaudhary, he has created the milestone. I'm telling each one of the story. And final one is, that is Avijit. These guys, I'm telling you, they're, what they're telling. Abhijit was in fresher in 2019. After learn here, he was cracked the interview in their central AD team. Gopal Chaudhary, basically a bank collection person. From there, he cracked the package around 9 lakhs. Which company, Gopal, you are working? Gopal, you are working on which company? I think. Hello? Gopal, are you there? Hello? Gopal, are you there?
You're audible, sir.
Okay, so comes to Gloria. Gloria basically, he is from the Cognizant data entry project. From there, she's cracked the Infosys interview, and the package is huge. Can't imagine. Blason Tota, he cracked the interview at 17 lakhs in TCS. He cracked the interview on Kindle, and recently he cracked the another company's interviews. he is my student. These are my gems because they have started from the beginning to till now.
Great.
Microland.
Yes, Gopal is the part of Microland, and currently it's more than 11 lakhs of package.
Microland.
Yes. So
Hello
Vaibhav,
guys. Hi. Great to.
Can you hear me?
everyone you are here,
Hello.
these all are the players.
Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
So
Yes,
please,
Gopal.
Hello.
You are audible.
Can you hear me?
so be patient, Vaibhav. You can achieve a lot of things. Be patient, learn from the scratch. You may don't know how many things you can learn, because this guy associated with me last 1.5 years. Now everyone here are the part of different organization with the colorful salary packages.
Great.
Okay.
Great to.
So this is not just a L1 training, it's just L3, L4 level trainings. That's all about. Okay, let me save that files.